In my last and the part 1 of this video, I talked about how you can sound more natural and native-like. I gave you tips about sounding interesting, and I gave you some hot alternatives of how are you. In case you haven't watched the video, go watch it. The notification must be up there. In this video, I'm gonna give you the response and the hot alternatives of I'm fine. Now let me tell you how to respond as well, right? When someone asks you how you doing, how's life, right? Then how you respond. Do you say just I'm fine, yeah, thank you? Again, who says that? Come on. It sounds so robotic, so bookish, right? So you rather say that I'm good, right? When someone says how are you, how's life, same say I'm good. Or maybe it's not that happening, so you say I'm not bad, right? Instead of saying I'm fine, like yeah, you say I'm not bad, right? You may say it's kind of cool, and when it's really a good life for you, you say yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, you say it's awesome. You may say it's marvelous, right? Just like British people would say it's marvelous, right? Instead of saying I'm fine, thank you, that's so bookish, boring, you say it's marvelous, it's awesome, right? Life is kind of cool. You may say that life is kind of cool. So those are the things that makes it sound so natural. When someone asks you how's life, you say life is great. Yeah, it couldn't be better, right? You say life is great, it couldn't be better. That's another thing you can use, right? Sometimes you may say, right, it's fit as a fiddle, right? Once again, it's a very catchy one, right? When someone says how's life, you say it's fit as a fiddle. This one is one of my personal favorite. That is, someone asks you how's life, how are you, right? How are you doing? You say life is busy. Finding someone like you makes it easy. So it's a very catchy line. Can we pick a line sometime as well, right? When you find someone very impressive, interesting, that's the time you say life is busy. Finding someone like you makes it easy. That's how you can sound so smooth in English, so native-like, so natural, right? So you can sound really, really amazing, effortless, right? It sounds very crispy, very, very interesting, right? That's how you do it. Just go for it, try it, and just nail it. Thank you. Hey there, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it already, and press the bell icon just beside it to get the updates of my videos at the soonest. I'll really appreciate if you share this video and follow me on my Instagram, that is the phenomenal English.It, and you can also follow me on my Facebook page, that is the phenomenal and the phenomenal English. I'll soon be back with another engaging lesson. Till then, take care, stay tuned.